pregnant women must pay extra attention when it comes to cold and cough remedies. Join us to discover the safe and secure options available for expectant mothers. These include oxymetazoline, budesonide, nasal drops, and xylometazoline. All of these treatments can provide much-needed relief and comfort during pregnancy. Additionally, it's important to remember that warm, humid air can help to reduce congestion and make breathing easier. Taking steps to stay hydrated, such as drinking plenty of water, can also help to alleviate coughing and other symptoms.